Okay guys, welcome to a brand new day. For today's video, we're gonna be headed down to Cars and Coffee. It's the first one of the season, first one back since COVID, so I'm excited about that. Guys, we had to get some gas. We were running very low, so. Guys, we're pulling up right now. There's so many cars. Look at all those. Ooh. Okay guys, we are here now. It's funny is because he's in his Focus, they're in their Focus, there's a Julia and I'm in a Julia, so it's completely like mirrored of each other, just different colors. You ready, little girl? Let me go get you. 1 second. You like the Volkswagen thing?
I've actually worked on them before.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they cool?
That's the downside of living with animals.
With animals, there's hair. Here, we even lick it. Maybe I make it better. Is there a hair in it?
I think it's just in the viewfinder.
Let me know in the comments if I should do the lime green on the Alpha. You think I should do lime green? I could totally pull it off.
You're literally in the reflection.
Am I really?
You're direct in the center of the envelope.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you gotta go to
Guys, you just have to wait till I get a Huracan. Just wait, guys. It's not an if, it's a matter of when. Just wait for it, guys. Robert, your car's getting a lot of attention.
I know, right? I just prime parking.
You already know, girl. Sit. Sit. There's your little puppuccino. Aww. All right, guys. Got a blast. Bye. Dang. Take care. This is why I love California, guys. Look at that beach. Look at that coastline. Woo! That sounds so good. Okay guys, it has been a very, very long day. We are headed back now. It is approximately 10:20 p.m. right now. We're getting back. I hung out with Robert and his girlfriend Remy, as well as Jevin, and we were able to do a whole bunch of stuff today. And so I hope you guys liked today's Cars and Coffee video and all of the cars roaring around everywhere, because it was honestly so much fun to be able to just cruise the coast and with all these other like exotic cars. It was just honestly a blast. Anyways guys, make sure to check out all my other videos because I've been daily for over 4.5 months now, which is absolutely insane. Please check them out. There's over 225 videos, so check those out and hit that subscribe button, guys. Without further ado, I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Nothing left to say. I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.